This food truck has a unique way of calling out orders when they're done, and it's the sweetest thing ever.
See this truck? Okay, so the truck. So whenever the food is ready, a golden retriever comes out and delivers the food.
As soon as an order is finished, instead of calling it out, they hand it off to their hardest working employee, a golden retriever whose only job is to deliver the food to the customer. After he hands it off, he gives the customer a firm handshake to make sure they're happy with his service, before collecting a little head scratch as a tip for all his hard work.